Hey everyone, friends, welcome to the Vela channel. Today I'll show you how to use Litematica, Schematica, and all that stuff in Minecraft. So here I have this mod installed. To work with the mod, we need a stick. Here's the stick. Let me teleport to some village. And here's a village. Let's try working with this mod. Actually, it's all pretty simple. It's like World Edit, but more, well, an advanced version. Press M on your keyboard and select the area selection button. That's what we'll be copying. Click. You can start with the blue block. Yeah. Right click where we'll start the selection and right click again where we'll end the selection. There. That's how we copy our house. Holding ALT, you can scroll the mouse wheel to edit it. There. So we've copied the house. Press Ctrl and we can switch modes bottom left. Yes, through Ctrl. Now click the M button and we'll see the menu for this mod. Here we have downloaded. So there's this arena. Yes, this area is now selected and we can load it here. To save the schematic, we need to press M, then click Area Selection Manager, click New Selection, name it, go in, click Configure, and click Save Schematic. Yes. Click Save. Next, go to another location where we'll paste it. Need to press M and make sure to go into the Configuration menu. Here type Behavior. And here we need to paste Replay Behavior. Click on O and hotkeys. Here we need Execute Operation. So we also type Execute Operation and here press whichever button you prefer. I choose the K button. Next, to load this cinematic, we select Mode 5 using Ctrl and the scroll wheel. Press M, then Load Cinematics, choose our cinematic and click Load Cinematic. There. And this way we insert our just copied house here. Well, you can also use the ALT button to rotate this building in any direction. There. Next, what else is interesting? In Load Cinematics, you can select a materials list and choose not to load a certain block. Click Ignore, and it won't load. This is also important. But to finally load our building, press the K button. Yes, in my case, because I used the K button. So that's how it works. That's all. This was Vela. Bye, everyone.